Nearly 13 years in prison, over 20 years as an attorney. Needless to say, I learned a few things.
Hello, and welcome to this video about your rights during a police detention. Have you ever been stopped by the police and asked questions, but you weren't sure if you were actually being detained or if you were free to leave? If so, you're not alone. Many people have questions about what their rights are during a police interaction. And in this video, we'll try to clear up some of that confusion. First of all, it's important to understand the difference between being detained and being free to leave. If the police have reasonable suspicion that you have committed, are committing, or are about to commit a crime, they can detain you briefly and search you for weapons. This is known as a Terry stop, named after the Supreme Court case Terry v. Ohio, which established the legal precedent for this type of detention. During a Terry stop, the police can ask you questions about the suspicious activity, but they are not allowed to arrest you unless they have probable cause to believe that you have committed a crime. If the police do not have probable cause, they must release you once they have finished their investigation. So, what should you do if you find yourself being detained by the police? First and foremost, it's important to remain calm and respectful. Even if you believe that the police do not have a good reason to stop you, it's generally a good idea to cooperate with their investigation. You have the right to remain silent and the right to refuse to answer questions. But it's usually a good idea to at least give the police your name and show them your identification if you have it. Keep in mind that if you do choose to remain silent, the police may interpret that as suspicious behavior. If you are not being detained, you are free to leave. You are not sure whether you are being detained or not. You can ask the police if you are free to go. If they confirm that you are free to go, you are under no obligation to stay and can leave. So, to sum up, during a police detention, you have the right to remain silent and the right to refuse to answer questions, but it's generally a good idea to cooperate with the police and be respectful. If you are not being detained, you are free to leave. I hope this video has helped clarify your rights during a police interaction. Thanks for watching.
Anyway, into you be, man.